So what you can also do is you can generate programming codes by using Gemini. So to do that, you need to go around and enter this prompt right here. So I'm just going to go around and say write a Python programming code right here, just like this. So you can go around and tell it to write any programming codes that you want. So it can write all the programming codes that are there, which are common. So I'm going to go around and say write a programming code. And in this programming code, I want this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say take 3 number inputs from the user and ask the user if they want to add, subtract, multiply, or divide the numbers right here, just like this. So if they want to add, subtract, multiply, or divide the numbers, and I'm going to go around and say then display the result as per the user's choice right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type this in and press enter, then what happens is that it starts generating the Python code, as you can see right here, just like this. So now I can simply go around and copy out this code right here and then go around onto a compiler of my choice right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then open this out right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and paste out the code right here, just like this. Press go around, Control V right here. The code is pasted. So now I'm going to go around and hit run, and now you can see that it says enter first number. So I'm going to say 4, 5, and 3 right here. So this is enter the operation, plus, minus, asterisk, or slash, that is multiply or divide. So let's just go around and say this right here. Press enter, and then the result of multiplying is multiplying these 3 numbers is 72, as you can see right here, just like this. So now this is what you have, as you can see, and you can easily generate out programming codes as you want inside of Gemini. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.